Bolts, and happy Teacher Appreciation Week. Been given the challenge today to come up with one word to describe the teaching staff at Ridge Community that begins with the letter T. And I'm here to tell you that has just been too tall of a task to ask of me today, because to me, the teachers at Ridge Community High School are a tremendously talented troupe of tireless, tenacious teachers who thoughtfully and thoroughly educate our students each and every day. They are a top-class, terrific group of educators that share their talents with their students, and I am very thankful and thrilled to work with them. Please know, teachers at Ridge, that we love you dearly, and we appreciate all of the time and efforts that you spend, and especially in this time when we're all learning this virtual world together. I hope we show you that appreciation not just this week, but in glimpses throughout the course of the year. And if we didn't do a very good job of that this past year, we will try to do better next. So happy Teacher Appreciation Week, and as always, go Bolts!
E is for extraordinary, because I have extraordinary teachers at Ridge Community High School. You guys are awesome. Happy Teacher Appreciation Week. I just wanted to give you that shout out because you are extraordinary.
Hey Bolts, happy Teacher Appreciation Week. I got the letter A, and everybody wants an A, right? So I thought about how can I describe our teachers with the letter A? Of course, you're amazing. We know that. But then I started thinking about not only are they amazing, but they're very accomplished. We have doctors and lawyers. We have people that this is your first year teaching, 30th year of teaching. We have people that, teachers on staff, that this is their initial career. Some people it's their second or third career. And we have a few folks who've retired and come back. So you just can't get away from that teaching. But so not only are you amazing and you're accomplished, but you're also very accommodating. When we ask you to do things for the betterment of kids and for our school, you're willing to step up and do it. And these past few weeks have shown us that you're also very adaptable. Although we've all come into this education as being a brick and mortar teachers, we've had to adapt to online learning, and you've done it with style and grace, and you've done an excellent job of it. So you've been very adaptable. This week, the most important A is you're appreciated. And I wanted to be sure that you know that. We know you're amazing. We know that you're accomplished. We also know that you're accommodating and very adaptable. And if I could sum it up in just a short phrase, I'd say you are all that. Happy Teacher Appreciation Week.
The C in teacher stands for commitment. Thank you for your commitment and dedication to the students here at Ridge. Your hard work does not go unnoticed. Happy Teacher Appreciation. Go Bolts!
Hi, I have the letter H in teacher, and that reminds me that our teachers are honorable and helpful. All Bolts are honorable. It's part of our creed. We do what's right and we do what's just and fair. Our teachers do that every day here on campus. Our teachers are also very helpful. If there is a need in a student's learning, they address it. If there's a need in our learning community, whether it's a parent, another staff member, or a student, they address that as well. For that, we are thankful and we appreciate each and every one of you, and thank you for all that you do each and every day for our entire learning community. As always, go Bolts!
The second E in teacher stands for exceptional. The staff at Ridge Community High School stands heads and shoulders above everyone else because of the unusual way we do business, the unusual commitment, the rare breed of teacher that we have at the Ridge. The R in teacher stands for remarkable. The unusual ability that the teachers at Ridge Community have to show up every day and to love and care and nurture each of our students. It is simply remarkable. We respect you guys. We love you guys. Thank you for being part of our staff. Teachers rock.